Everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I will walk you through on how to become an affiliate partner of TripAdvisor. So currently I'm on the TripAdvisor affiliate program page, and for you to become an affiliate partner of TripAdvisor, you just need to scroll down at the bottom. So pretty much this page would explain to you how to become an affiliate partner and why you should join as an affiliate partner of TripAdvisor. So you can just read all this out, okay? And then it also explains how you can earn a commission when you integrate TripAdvisor's link on your website. And there's also a breakdown here on how you can earn, how much you will earn. Alright, but our goal today is to sign up as an affiliate partner of TripAdvisor. So you do have the option here, so choose a network partner. So it's either AWIN or CJ. So I will prefer to sign up with CJ. All you need to do is click on this link. Alright, and so once you click that, you'll get routed to this page. Okay, so pretty much let me just go to the very main page here. So this is the main page of CJ Affiliate. Okay, so you just need to, if you're just trying to be a publisher of CJ's partners like TripAdvisor is one of their partners, so you can just click on sign up. Alright, and if you're a publisher, so it means you would like to publish partners of CJ Affiliate. For example, in our presentation today, you would like to publish TripAdvisor's link to your website, so you just need to sign up as a publisher right here. Okay, once you click on this, you'll get routed to this page. So you just need to complete the entire process. Okay, this is just very basic. So they're just going to ask your first name, your last name, your email address, and click on this box to test if you're not a robot, and then follow through. Okay, once you're done, then you can now be able to log into your CJ Affiliate partner account. So why would you need to create both TripAdvisor and CJ Affiliate? Because CJ Affiliate is the network partner of TripAdvisor. So what's in it for you? So you can't get those links from TripAdvisor if you're not CJ Affiliate's partner. So it means you need to create a CJ Affiliate account for you to get a link from TripAdvisor, because TripAdvisor and CJ Affiliate had partnered to each other. Okay, so this is how it works. So I've already go to the link right here. If you can see, there is TripAdvisor right there, but I will get to the very basic, or the very first part of this search. So this is the CJ Affiliate account. Okay, so I've already have an account. After signing up as a publisher, then you'll be able to log in to your CJ Affiliate account. So all you need to do is, because you are trying to publish products from an advertiser, right? So you just need to search for TripAdvisor right here, and then search. Okay, and here we go. This is the TripAdvisor links. You can just select either or, okay, whether you would like to get all of these links, this link, this, and have it integrate on your website. You just need to click on join program. Once you click join program, just follow the steps right here, whether you would like to accept or not. This is their policy. Normally their process is you need to agree on this. Okay, you need to agree on this policy, accept, and then it will get routed to join to the TripAdvisor system, and then they will have it reviewed manually, and then they will get back to you, so you would be able to get the link and have it integrate on your website. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's how you can become an affiliate partner of TripAdvisor. I hope you learned something. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.